double-sided neon sign. This is just an example of one that, like, there's no background to it, but that's just an example of how they kind of look. Why do we use neon signs? Because they're somewhat power efficient. They don't use a ton of electricity. They have a very bright light, but I think the most common reason is the aesthetic that they give the room, because they have a very cool look to them. Short history on signs, on the neon signs. They were invented in 1910 in Paris by George Claude. He was the first person to pressurize a tube full of neon, and he displayed it in Paris. Then in 1915 in the US, he patented his design. And since then, they became a very popular light, and they were nicknamed Liquid Fire. Some tools. So first thing you need is a bunch of torches, such as the one right here, which blows 2. There's a ribbon one, which is just a long line of them, and it has fire going up so you can heat up big pieces of glass at one time. There's also a torch that it's like this one, but it's handheld, so you can turn it easily, because you need to heat up both sides of the glass equally. That way, when you bend it, it doesn't snap and explode, because that's bad. So, and you also need a glass blowing tube, which is like a rubber tube that you attach to the end of the glass, and it makes it so you blow. That's so you can blow through. And so when you blow, after curving or bending, it makes it so the diameter of the tube doesn't cave in on itself, and the diameter stays the same. Then you need a vacuum pump to take out the air of the tube once you're done bending and curving it. And you need a gas pump, not the gas pump like the fuel, the gas pump like state of something. So like for the neon. So you pump the gas into the neon, into the neon into the gas. That didn't make any sense. Into the glass. Then you need a file to cut the glass. Making a neon sign. So you can't use normal glass because that would just snap and explode, and that'd be bad again. So they use a special kind of glass called soft glass, which is lead glass, soda lime glass, and barium glass. So it makes it easier to bend. Then the glass is heated to 220 degrees Fahrenheit roughly, and then you make your bends and curves with the method of heat it, bend it, then blow it. So you heat it, you make your bends and curves, and then you blow through the tube. After the curves are made, you add the electrode, which is the picture up here. He's adding one of the electrodes. You add one to both ends. Then you remove the air from the tube with the vacuum pump and pump in the neon. How a neon sign works. So first, the neon sign is supplied with AC, which is alternate current, or DC, which is direct current, but AC is preferred because it works better with neon lights. When you supply power to it, the electrons get excited and they move around, and when they bump into each other, that's what produces light. When coloring the glass, there's 2 ways to do it. Normally, if you don't color glass at all, neon will produce a red to orangish color, but you can color it through mixing different gases with it, or you can color the glass like this one has to make it a different color. In conclusion, it was invented in 1910 by George Claude. It uses a special kind of glass called soft glass with lead glass, soda lime glass, and barium glass. And it was nicknamed Liquid Fire. Thank you for listening.